Hey guys, how you going? Just another YouTube video, and what we're going to be talking about today is how we can turn just $200 into an income of $100 every single day, profit into your pocket. Um, so yeah, basically, let's just get straight into it. I'm going to show you my figures, and then I'm going to show you how you can turn $200, how long it's going to take, and yeah, let's go. So first of all, what we've got here is my current account. I've got $1,800 US in there. I'm slowly adding to it now that I've, really recognized the legitimacy of this company. Um, I'll be pumping even more money into it in the near future. So basically, right now, I'm averaging about the $770 cash back every single day, roughly. It's a roughly, maybe a little bit more. Some days 98, some days are 60, some 70. So it's around the 70 mark per day with the amount I've got in there at the moment. Just a little bit more, maybe 72, I think it is. So basically, we know that from other videos that we get two times the amount of cash back as the amount spent. So if we work out that we are making 35 profit a day, let's say 36 profit a day, right, we're going to need, so for $100 a day, divided by that 36, which is what I'm making currently now, 2.7 times what I've got in there now to get up to our $100 per day. This is in US, so it doesn't really matter what currency it is, as long as you have that specific currency in here of this amount, you're going to get $100 a day of that currency out. So we're going to need just over $5,000 in here to get $100 profit per day. So just over about 700 a week, which is insane. An amazing passive income, and obviously you can grow that. So if we go over to the passive, we go over to the Compass Interest Calculator. Right now, we're making about 80 to 100% on our return on investment at the moment. We're spending, every $100 we're spending, we're getting 200 back. But for this sake, we're going to say we're just going to get 60% interest per month, just to really, give it as little sort of leeway as possible, so that I'm not going to write in our 100%. I'm going to say, because we don't know if that's going to guarantee and stay on. So let's use 60, because it looks like no one's getting under that I've seen. Most people are getting about 80 to 100. So if we start off for 1 year with $200, we calculate that, and we're not going to worry about this number, because once you get up to a certain amount, it changes. You're going to have more accounts, or your family, or we'll talk about that later. But you could potentially get $56,000 in a year from this if you kept compounding it. Let's talk about how long it's going to take from $200 to get your $100 per day. So if we have a look here, balance 200, first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month. So about 6 months. After 6 months, you're going to have 5,000. 6 months, and then you have that start. $5,168 is your total interest. So you're going to have this amount. So that's how long it's going to take to get you a passive income of $100 per day. Just a bit before, obviously, we know it's around the 5,000 mark. We'll, say 6 extra months. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. So once you start at the end of that first month, it's going to be another 6 months, and then you're going to get to that $5,000 in there. And if you want to take it out each week or each day, you're going to get $100 profit per day. Obviously, if you keep it in there, you're just going to keep going. But at the moment, that's what it's showing on the maths. So a very, very, very good tool, and yeah, I definitely would get on it as soon as possible. So make sure you join the Discord and like and subscribe to this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.